Another use of conditional formatting is to use them with tick boxes or check boxes. So if you check or tick a box, the conditional formatting is applied. In this case, yellow and orange. And if we click on the other side, it changes colour to green. So how do we achieve that? When you first insert a checkbox, it doesn't really do anything apart from it's true or false. If we look up on the formula bar at the top, you can see that it's true and false, true and false. So we can utilise that. Let's go to the Format menu and Conditional Formatting. We need to select the range that we want the formatting to apply to. So in our case, it is the names in column B. So I'll just drag down. You can equally just type the numbers in if you wish. Click OK. And we're going to use another formula. So we're going to custom formula is, because it's a formula, we're going to use the equal sign. And we're going to start with A7. What we're going to say is if any checkbox from A7 down to A32 is equal to true, then we would like the conditional formatting to be applied. And I'm going to just make that a sort of yellowy colour with some red text and click done. And now let's check if it's working. Yep, that looks good. So let's do the other side. So we now want it so that if we check on this side, they turn green. So because we already have that rule, we can duplicate the rule, add another rule. And this time we want it to apply to column C. So if column C7 is true, i.e. the checkbox is checked, we would like some conditional formatting to apply. And this time, let's be bold and make it a green and click done. So when I click on this side, that seems to work. But when I click on something that's already been checked with column A, it doesn't seem to be working. And that is because Google Sheets conditional formatting works on a hierarchy. The rule that is at the top is the one that will take precedence and will happen first. So if we want the green to always happen regardless of whether column A has been checked or not, we need to drag that to the top of the list. And now you can see everything has turned green. If I uncheck the right hand side, then the left hand side rule is still working. Uncheck that, neither. That will be green, orange, green. And that is another way that we can utilise some conditional formatting. These are just a very few rules to introduce you to the concept of conditional formatting within Google Sheets. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tip.